Hi, this is Shraddha from eConstruct. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a 3-day workshop that we are going to conduct in different cities throughout India starting from January 2019. We are coming to different cities for conducting a 3-day workshop on ETABS to make you expert in this structural designing software. So which are the cities where we are going to conduct this training program? The first city we are visiting is Hyderabad in the month of January. In February, we would be conducting the same workshop in Coimbatore. In the month of March, we will conduct 3-day workshop in Kolkata. In April, we would be conducting a 3-day workshop in Bhopal. So if you aspire to become structural design engineer and you want to become expert in the structural engineering software like ETABS, then this is a crash course exclusively launched for those who want to learn ETABS and get expertise over the software in short period of time. So who should attend this training program? If you are aspiring to start your career in structures and if you think you have passion for this line, then this is the training for you. If you are confused about whether to start career in structures or not, if you do not know what are the different career opportunities and what exactly a structural engineer does, then please watch our previously uploaded video which says career graph, scope and salary packages of a structural design engineer. That video will give you insights about structural design engineering field. So if you are interested to start your career in structures and if you hold a degree or diploma in civil, then this is a training for you. If you are a practicing consultant, then also you are eligible to attend this workshop. So this 3-day workshop will be personally conducted by Mr. Sandeep, who is the founder and MD of eConstruct. He has 17 plus years of experience. He has worked in Gulf and he has designed up to G+81 story structure. He has vast experience in structures and he is a successful entrepreneur. He will be personally mentoring you throughout this crash course in ETABS for 45 days of practice session and 3 days of workshop. In this crash course, we will make sure that you undergo minimum 10 live projects on ETABS. And the type of projects that we are going to cover in this training program are RCC, steel structure projects and composite structure projects. So you will become expert in all the three by the end of the training program. So if you want to know more about structural design engineering line and if you are confused about what is the actual scope in structural engineering field, so let's understand in detail about this training program. In this workshop, you will be able to study elevations, sections and 3D views, create the structural framing plan, create the center line in AutoCAD, then create the mathematical model by assigning constraints, restraints, support conditions, loads and stiffness, etc. You would be doing different types of analysis during this training, which can be linear static analysis or non-linear static analysis. You will be involved in doing P-delta analysis, construction sequence analysis, dynamic analysis, response spectrum analysis, etc. You would be involved in design of slabs, beams, columns, foundation system, shear wall, etc. And you will also be involved in doing detailing, generating the good for construction drawings in CAD, which we also call as GFC drawing. So these are the major takeaways of this training program. If you want to know about the exact location, city and dates, then please visit the links given below to know about that. Thank you very much.